Guys, 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 392. Good looking car. Let me show you guys what has been done to it. So we didn't do much work on it. His whole system was shifted, so we fixed it for him. Anyways, so here's the cats, there and there. Then it's a bolt-on Borla Atak kit. So bolts on right there and right there, right after the cats. So when they say cat back, that's what they mean. There's the cat. And the first bolt-on point, that's when the cat back starts. Okay? As you guys can see on each side. So it's a cat back system. 2 resonator Borlas right there. Then X-pipe goes back out, and we tacked everything so it doesn't shift again because the clamps loosened up and it shifted. As you guys can see, it was rubbing there. It was rubbing against the bumper, and it was hitting over there. That's why it's all shiny right there. It was rubbing there. So it's a Borla Atak full catback system. And then it finishes off with 5-inch tips right there and right there. So we tacked everything up. He's not going to have any more issues. You guys can see where it shifted all the way. All this was shifted and back there. So we fixed all that, tightened it up, all that good stuff. He's not going to have a problem anymore with it. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, Jeep SRT 2020 catback kit, Borla Atak. Borla never disappoint. Oh yeah, that's a good sounding kit. He's barely giving it gas too, guys. It's at 112. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 109. That sounds so good. Sounds good. Much better. Let him back it up. Jeep SRT Grand Cherokee. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Again? Let you guys hear it on the inside. Jeep SRT. He put it in sport mode for us. He was gonna put it in track. I'm like, nah, you need the track for that. Much better. Woo! What a beast. Enjoy, guys.